welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I am going to share a healthy breakfast recipe which is Talbina. Talbina is a barley porridge recommended to us by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It's a simple healthy breakfast porridge made of barley flour, milk and water. Talbina has many health benefits. You must try this for your breakfast. These are the ingredients I am using for the Talbina recipe. You can use any kind of fruits which you prefer, and you can choose any kind of toppings which you like. For 2 servings of Talbina, I am using 4 tablespoons of barley flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 cups of milk and water mix. I am adding 1.5 cup of water and half cup of milk. You can always adjust according to your way of cooking. Here I added less milk and more water. If you prefer more milk, you can always do that. Turn on the heat and give it a mix. Whisk it until it turns slightly thick. It takes less than 5 minutes of your cooking. Once it's ready, you can turn off the heat and transfer to the bowl. Now I'm going to do the topping. Here I'm using soaked chia seeds, 1 teaspoon. Adding 1 banana chopped. Few blueberries if you prefer. And some strawberries chopped. Medjool dates, 1 chopped. One tablespoons of chopped nuts. Here I'm using pistachio, cashews, almonds and sunflower seeds. And a drizzle of honey if you like. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Bye. Take care.